What up? Let's talk about the trade that I took today. Today, basically, basically it's break-even day for me, and I'm going to talk about the trade that I took, right? So today I took two trade idea, and one is a losing trade, and another is a winning trade, right? So we can see that gold is in a bullish trend, and then when came to the chart, I'm seeing that gold has a strong breakout, but I do not want to chase high. So I want to wait for some pullback and I enter buy here as a high one buy setup, put my stop initially here using a very small lot, 0.02, and then add another position after I saw price rejecting the 20 moving average, and then also it's a 50% pullback as well. So I add another position, put my stop here. I move my stop and then price break below here strongly, and I my stop got slipped, and then I lost more than expected, right? So but the two trade is I use a smaller loss. I can see 0.02, which is good. But I think next time probably I should. I think this trade is reasonable how a bull setup. I mean, I risking 300 pip, want to make 300 something pip as well, but it didn't work out. And I think this trade also here makes sense as well. Rejecting the 20 moving average and then move my stop here below this low. I think it's reasonable as well if you ask me. And I took another buy after I saw, okay, price really failed to break below this low and then creating a wedge bottom as well. And price retesting the previous trading range high, long way to the bottom, solid bull bar close. I risk a little bit here, and I think this trade is a bit risky because we have a free bear bar close on the low. I think there's a probably will have a second leg down, so I'm using very little risk, 0.02, and my stop is very little as well. It's here, so only risking 20 bucks, something like that, right? So this I already lose one trade, so I do not want to risk much. So I use 0.02 lot here. And after this bar, very strong bull bar, so I'm thinking probably we will have a leg one equal leg two move, right? So I'm thinking that probably we will at least retest here and will give me some kind of like a one-to-one risk reward ratio. So enter another buy here and then exit everything after price reach the measure move, and then uh yeah, that's it. After price reached the measure move and I exit everything at break even. So I took two break even trade. I think this trade here makes sense, but I should keep my stop at the low of the bull leg. And I think this trade here makes sense as well. We're testing the 20 moving average and then the 50% pullback level, I think is reasonable as well. But unfortunately, price hit my stop and then re-enter the trade here makes sense as well. It's a bit high risk, so I use a smaller lot. I think here the trade that enter here is I think it's reasonable. It has a high probability. It's a breakout bar. And tiny one-to-one visual ratio, I think is not the best trade, but it's reasonable trade, right? I'll say if this trade can close somewhere around here will be much better because we'll have a much better ratio ratio. And I'm sacrificing the potential reward for probability, right? So yeah, that's the trade that I took today, and I'm gonna call it day. Today I make very little money. I only make $4, which is 30 something Hong Kong dollar, which is I'm also blessed as well. Not losing money, right? So this is my trading result for this today. $99 in profit. So I'm gonna call it a day. Right.